In today's video, we are going to explore a AI agent for reconnaissance, where we are going to use this AI agent to automate our all reconnaissance process and all ethical hacking easily. So the tool name is Gemini CLI. Now, as we know that Gemini is a product of Google and it is a model, so it is an AI model, right? So to install this in our Linux machine, what we need to do is first we need to update our machine by using this particular commands. After that, we need to install Node.js into our system. After installing Node.js, we need to install our Gemini CLI in our Linux system. After installing Gemini CLI, just we need to type Gemini-CLI in Linux terminal and just hit enter. Now to run Gemini, we need API key, and to get API key, visit aistudio.google.com, and there you need to create a new API key. Copy the API key, come to Linux, type export Gemini API key hyphen the API key and then enter. After that, if you want to get a persistence configuration, then you can type this particular command to get it. And further, you need to check that is a particular variable has been set or not by typing echo Gemini key. After that, in the Gemini, you need to type Gemini-p, explain the difference between SQL injection and XSS, and you need to enter. After that, you can get a description about that particular thing, that what is meant by injection and what is meant by XSS. Okay, this is all about basics. Now, if you want to use this for reconnaissance, then you can use Gemini. Like after entering this command, Gemini will use Nmap to scan all the vulnerabilities related to this particular host. And this is where Gemini is helpful for us. So if you are a bug bounty hunter and you need to automate your all process by using this, you can make a tool and you can automate it easily. But if you don't want to make a tool, then you can use Gemini CLI. Or if you are stuck while hacking or while exploring anything, then you can use Gemini CLI to solve it very well. So this is what for this video. Now, if you are interested in this type of videos, you can like and subscribe. I will meet you next video. And if you want the link of this particular article, then check the description box, and I have given more methods to install Gemini CLI Linux, and with different models or specific models you can use this Gemini CLI and try and explore it. Till then, bye.